Hello everybody and welcome to Edu Media YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to book an appointment for your passport application. Now, if you are filling your passport application whether as a new entrant or for renewal of your passport, there's that stage that you get to where you need to book an appointment for the time and duration that you avail yourself at the passport application center for your biometrics to be captured for the processing of your passport application. Therefore, in this video, I would like to go through the whole process of booking an appointment and selecting your passport application center. If this is your first time coming to this channel, all we do on this particular channel is to teach you how to go through the passport application smoothly without paying middlemen to take care of it. We also help you prepare for your licensing examination, whether it's for teaching or for nursing. And if you like what we do on this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share our videos. At this stage, I've gone through the whole application, filling of my personal details, my educational details, my witness and my guarantor's details. The next thing I want to do now is to book my appointment. Now on this page, I have one side showing me the next available date, and then also I have another aspect showing me the field where I'm going to select the application center that I choose to do my biometrics. Now what I'm going to do now is to click on the field here where I can select my centers. So when I click on it, I have a list of centers that I can choose to go for my biometric capture. So we have centers like Tema Park, we have Accra Park, we have Takoradi Park, we have Ho Park, Koforidua Park, and these are all centers that are available for me, about 13 of them, and I need to select one of them that I'm ready to avail myself for the biometric capture. So I'm going to choose the one that I think is very close to me, the one that will be so convenient for me to be able to go and do my biometrics. Therefore, I'm going to select Ho Park. Now, just after selecting the application center, you see that the page comes with some information. So there's a pop-up information here indicating that I have chosen this particular center and I've agreed to present myself at that particular chosen park for vetting. Therefore, I need to be aware of it. So I'll go ahead and click on OK. Now after that, you see that then there's a new button that is introduced to me here, the book appointment button. The book appointment button is what is going to give me access to the calendar where I'm going to select the day and then the time that I'm going to be able to go for the interview. So the next thing I'll do is to click on the book appointment button here to continue. On this page, I have the calendar available for me to do the selection of the day. On the right side of the screen, we have the details showing us what this calendar means. So we have here colors denoting the days that are available for me and the days that are blocked or not available for me to book for the appointment. So we have the first one as the open days. Now the open days color there is white. So those days that we see marked in white are open days. And this means that these days are allowed for me to select, and these days are the days that I can avail myself for the appointment. So I can select any of these days. The next one we have, or the next color we have, is the black. Now the black is the booked days. Booked days here means that these days are all occupied and I can select them. So therefore means that when I see any of the days that is marked or that is colored black, it means I cannot select that particular day because it is already booked and that day is filled and I cannot enter or book for that particular day. The next color we have is green. Green is block days. So block days means that these days are probably a holiday and the office will not be working and those days are blocked, so I cannot also select that particular day. And then finally we have the gray color for past days. Past days are days that are gone, and obviously you cannot select a past day for the interview. So it therefore means that the only day that is available for us is the open days. That is the only day that we can select. The rest of the three are just for informational sake and we cannot select them. So the next available date here is July 12. That is the day that is given to me. So the immediate available date is July 12, and from July 12 going are available for me and I can select them. We have here August 4th, which I cannot select because it's a block day, and we could see that there are other days in July that first week to probably second week of July I cannot select them because they are booked days and I can't select any of them. So therefore means that from July 12th all the way to the end of July and other months to come I can select them. So I'll go ahead and then click on 12 because I want to probably just go on July 12th and do the vetting. So I'll select July 12th. Now after selecting the July 12th, I'll scroll down and then you see that here there's a section down here indicating that the days that I select. So I have selected date and then available time slots. So each of the day have the time that is available for it. We have the morning, the afternoon, and then the evening. So when I select July 12th, you can see that the selected date now changes to Wednesday, July 12th, 2023, and then the time slot is 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. This is the available time slot for me. And when I select July 13th, you can see that also changes to Thursday, July 13th, 2023. And the available time slot for that particular one is 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So these are the days and the available slot that are there. So as I said, I'm going to stick with the July 12th and then select that for the processing of my application or for the capturing of my biometric features. Now when all this is set, the date and then the time slot is all set for me, the next thing I'll do is to click on this button here where it is written click to book your appointment. So I'm going to click on this to finalize all that I've done. Now there's also a confirmation page for me to confirm all that I've selected, and you will see here that the time that I've selected is Wednesday, 12th July 2023, and the interview location I've selected or the application location I've selected is Ho Park, and they've shown me a bit of description as to how I can get there. That is at the regional administration. They share a building with the immigration office, so this is a little bit of tip that I can use to get to that particular place. So when all this is set and I'm very confident that this is what I want to do, this is the location I want and this is the day, then I can click on book here to affirm what I've done. The next thing I have here is my appointment slip, and this slip here shows me everything that I have done, all the details that I filled for the application, my personal details, my educational details, guarantors details, the witness details. All this information is presented to me here, and mind you, at this point you've actually finished filling the application. Everything is sent to the passport application system. The passport application system or their database should have received something like this from you at this point. So you've done that. The next thing is for you to keep record of what you have done. You have to print these documents and then probably present them when you are going for the data capture. On this particular page, you have your appointment slip, your receipt, your preview, and then your status. So you can check all those on this particular page. So what I have here is my appointment slip, and this is what we're going to print. So let's go through how we're going to print this particular appointment slip, and this is what you print for your witness to stamp and sign, and you equally sign as well. So let's see how we can do the printing. Now to do the printing, you have to scroll down, come down to where we have the vetting officers boxes, and then below that we have print slip. So you click on the print slip and that will give you the opportunity to print this particular application, and if you wish to save it as a PDF also, you can do that as well. You click to save it as a PDF for later printing. Otherwise, you can equally print it. If you are connected to a printer, you can print it directly from your PC. Alright, so this is all that I have for you in this particular video. If you like it, hit the like button, share our video, and then we'll see you in our next video.